So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can set up multiple email addresses on the same account so that you can access it on your devices, irrespective of whether you can receive the emails on your phone that you get on your computer. So as you can see on my screen, on the left-hand side, I've got the web app open, and on the right-hand side, I've got my phone being shown on the screen. So in the web app, I click on the cog in the top left-hand corner, which then takes me to my account page. And as you can see, I've already got a few email addresses added here, but simply what you would do first is that you would add the email address that you can receive on your phone to your account. So I click on the plus icon. That brings up this field where I can add an email address. So you get this pop-up that says, we've just sent you an email. Tap on the link to confirm your email address. So this is going to send you an email with a link in it. I'll show you that now. So as you can see in my email inbox, I can see that there's an email from Jovo asking me to confirm the email address. So I press confirm. I can see that my extra account has been added there. So now, if I go onto my phone now and I want to log in, I put in the extra email account that I've added to the web app. Accept and send. Thanks, we've sent you an email. I'll go across to my email inbox and I see your login email for Jovo. Click on the login link. Log into Jovo. Just like that, I now have access to all of my groups on Jovo.